This Coldwell Banker Pacesetter Steel Realtors property video is presented by alice.hinojosa. Super clean and ready to move in 4-bedroom/1 bath home or 3-bedroom with an office. Step into the spacious living area with an abundance of natural light from recently installed windows. Enjoy your spacious breakfast area and kitchen along with recently installed granite countertops, recessed lighting above sink and gas range, light fixtures and cabinets. There is plenty of space throughout the home to host family gatherings, including a fully fenced backyard with covered patio and 20/20 roof. Store your lawn equipment in the shed that conveys as well. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact alice.hinojosa at 361-438-7468.